Welcome to your quick guide on navigating probate in North Dakota. This is for informational purposes only and is not legal advice. In North Dakota, probate is the legal process of managing a deceased person's estate. It ensures deaths and taxes are settled before assets are distributed to heirs. Does everything go through probate in North Dakota? No. Assets solely in your name require it. But joint tenancy properties, life insurance policies, and transfer on death accounts bypass probate completely. North Dakota offers two simplified paths. The small estate affidavit works for estates under $100,000, while summary administration speeds up slightly larger estates. Informal probate involves 4 steps. First, file an application. Second, a personal representative is appointed. Third, they inventory the assets. Finally, after paying debts, assets are distributed to the beneficiaries. Proactively avoid North Dakota probate by setting up a living trust, owning property jointly, or adding beneficiary designations. We hope this quick guide to North Dakota probate helped. Please like, share, and subscribe.